Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Capricorns. What's on your side, Capricorns? So on your side we have the Nine of Wands. Let's see what's there on your person's side. Okay, so we have the Ten of Wands on your person's side. Most likely outcome. Most likely outcome, please. Okay, and the Four of Swords. Okay, so on your side we have the Nine of Wands. You've been waiting for this person since a long time, and you really feel as if you are being unrewarded for whatever investment or whatever time you've spent waiting for this person. And here with the Ten of Wands, somebody is, I think this person is carrying a lot of responsibilities, and they are busy carrying those responsibilities, whatever they are. It can be an emotional baggage, it can be any damn thing. But though they are trying to unburden, we'll see that in the clarifiers also. But yes, I think you've been waiting because this person is busy with these responsibilities. That's what I feel. And with the Four of Swords as the most likely outcome, it is just totally surrendering to the situation and focusing on yourself and focusing on your own healing, giving the time to yourself here. Let's see what's it all about. So why is this Nine of Wands here for Capricorns? So for the Nine of Wands, yes, we have the Three of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, the Hermit, the Hierophant, the Nine of Cups. Okay, the Four of Wands. So let's see what is this Ten of Wands here for. So for the Ten of Wands we have the Four of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, Seven of Swords, Two of Wands. So let's see what's this Four of Swords about. The Eight of Cups, the Ten of Wheels, the Emperor, the Page of Cups, the Magician, and the Six of Wands. Let's have one more. Temperance. Okay. So Capricorns, you've been waiting since a long time in this situation, with the Three of Swords being there and the Two of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups. So definitely there is a situation in which what I feel is you are waiting since somebody here is not able to make up their mind, totally confused, being indecisive, which is leaving you heartbroken. So the heartache here is because of this indecision which the other person is not able to make, the decision which the other person, somebody here is very confused, indecisive. Maybe they have many options and they are just juggling you. It can be that also, because there we have the Seven of Swords also. So maybe somebody has many options. That is the reason that they are not able to make up their mind. Anyway, whatever the reason is, somebody here is not giving you a decision which is leaving you heartbroken, and that is why you're just waiting for a decision to come in basically. And here then we have the Hermit, the Hierophant, the Nine of Cups, and the Four of Wands. But yes, this person is trying though. Somebody here is being very intuitive regarding this decision of commitment and wish fulfillment and the Four of Wands. So Maybe this is what you actually want, because you see this person as your wish fulfillment. You want commitment from this person, and you want a family with this person. So you want a commitment and a family from this person, a stable beginning with this person, and you're waiting for this. That's what I feel with the Hermit being there. So you are being in touch with your intuition, and your intuition says that this is your wish fulfillment. That's what I feel. We'll see if that is actually coming in. But here with these cards being there, that is definitely what you want from this person. But the thing is, the action is not being taken here. Somebody is not making a move, just listening to the inner voice. Either you are listening or they are listening. But yes, there is a lot of intuition here with the Hermit. Or maybe this is the decision you are trying to take as to what should I do, since the other person is not giving me any decision, because you are totally heartbroken over here with the Three of Swords. Here with the Ten of Wands, we have the Four of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Seven of Wands, Swords, and the Two of Wands. So definitely somebody is holding their feelings close to their heart. Somebody is definitely not opening up. With the Seven of Swords being there, this person is definitely, there is something sneaky going on. With the Seven of Cups and the Seven of Swords being there, so definitely it is deceptiveness, cheating, lying, not showing actually what they feel. You don't have the full information of what's happening in the other person's life, and you are just waiting for them here with the Two of Wands. With the Knight of Wands, this person may show up sometimes. This is something, though it has a lot of passion, but it is in and out, and a temporary type of an energy. And whatever they are showing is just very small steps. With the Page being there, so maybe with the King of Pentacles, this is a person. See, first of all, what I am getting here is this Pentacles, Pentacles, Pentacles. It's looking as if something is very materialistic. Maybe this person is focused more on materialistic things, can be that. But anyway, so this person is totally closed off. They are not showing their emotions, and even if they are, it's very less, because, and maybe it's just to keep you hooked as much as is required for you, keep on waiting, so that you just don't walk away and you are just there in the loop. It can be as simple as that, just to keep you waiting there. So they're just giving you those tidbits so that you can just be there in this relationship, and you just don't leave it all out. Okay, so and here as the most likely outcome, we have the Four of Swords, the Eight of Cups, the Ten of Wheels, the Emperor, the Page of Cups, the Magician, Six of Wands, and the Temperance. So it is a lot of healing and surrender to the situation is going on. With Eight of Cups, ready to leave the past behind, moving towards the new beginning. And with the Ten of Wheels, things are definitely changing. You're gaining back the control. See, what I am getting here is that since I really don't see any commitment coming in, to be honest. I really don't see any commitment coming in. What I feel here is that since you are able to, after doing this self-healing, you are able to focus or able to leave this past behind and focus on yourself, and things are then, they start changing for the better. Here with the Emperor, you are able to take back the control of your life, being in a pretty good position, feeling good and confident about it. And with the Page of Cups, this is something which is, I think, you are now beginning your life new. It's like, see, what I am getting, the vibe which is here is that once you are coming out of the heartbreak and you start enjoying the new things in life, okay, you start finding good things or getting attracted to new people or new things in life. It's something like that. That's what I'm getting. It is not the same person. This is the beginning of your own life with the Magician. That is what you're doing. So after coming out of depression, it's like, I'm not saying that this person is in depression. I'm just giving an example. Like one comes out from depression, they just, and once they're able to heal themselves, they just look out, okay, now they've started finding interest in life. That's what I'm getting. Things are changing since you're leaving the past behind, gaining back the controls, finding love elsewhere, perhaps with the Page of Cups, or finding somebody else interesting. With the Magician being there, there is definitely a new beginning over here with the Six of Wands and the Temperance. So there is the beginning which you are making over here, you are feeling good about yourself, enjoying it, feeling victorious in this and successful in this. And with the temperance, what I feel is here, you are able to sort out your life and balance your life. And the main energy here is the Four of Swords. So you have left and surrendered to the situation, and though it was on your mind at one point in time with the Hermit, with the Hierophant being there, you wanted commitment, but I really don't see any commitment coming in. What I feel here is that you've left this situation, focusing on yourself, trying to heal, gaining back the power, manifesting a new happiness for yourself, starting finding or taking small steps of happiness towards in your own life, beginning a new small steps of towards a new beginning or a new person, something like that. So let's see what is the guidance. Appreciate this moment. Number 33 may be of some significance for you. Appreciate this moment. Every situation is an opportunity to grow and find love. So whatever is happening in life at this point in time, perhaps it has some lesson to teach you, and that is what you are doing. You are just appreciate it, learn the lessons and move on. So Capricorns, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.